Welcome to our channel. Today we how to disable Meta Business Suite notification spam, complete guide step by step clearly. To begin, open the Meta Business Suite website on your computer or launch the app on your mobile device. Log in to your account using your credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the settings area of the Meta Business Suite. On the website, this can be found in the bottom left corner, represented by a gear icon. In the mobile app, look for the three horizontal lines in the top corner and select Settings. Next, locate the Notifications section within the Settings menu. In this section, you'll see various options for managing your notifications. To reduce spam, begin by reviewing the notification settings for each category. Disable notifications that are less relevant to your business needs. For example, toggle off updates related to new features if you don't wish to receive them. You can also choose to mute notification sounds for a more peaceful work environment. For each type of notification, be sure to check whether you want to receive them via email or app alerts. Consider setting your preferences to receive only critical alerts. After configuring your notification settings, make sure to save any changes made. Now, exit the Settings menu and return to the main dashboard. Observe how these adjustments affect your notifications over the next few days. If you still find certain notifications bothersome, revisit the settings and tweak them further. By following these steps, you can effectively reduce notification spam from Meta Business Suite. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.